Hey, in front of me is REALME C33 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and install your new defaults. I will go with Opera Mini browser. When your app is ready, go into Settings. In Settings, you need to tap on Apps and Notifications. Scroll down just a bit and select Default Apps. Now click on one of those sections, in my case Browser app, and click on an app that you wish to apply. I will go with Opera Mini, so now when I click on it and go back, I can see that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!